Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cherry Bakewell Flapjacks. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a saucepan, and into the saucepan place your butter, your golden syrup and light brown sugar, and just place it on the hob over a medium-high heat, allowing the mixture to melt for around a minute or so to start with. Then you can continuously stir it until the mixture is smooth and there's no traces of a single ingredient. Once you've achieved that, you can set it aside just for a minute while you prepare the oats. Grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the bowl place your oats along with the ground almonds and just mix the two until they are fully combined. Then you can go ahead and pour in the liquid mixture that you've just prepared. Be careful, it is hot. If you get this on your skin, you will know about it. Just pour all of that mixture into the oats and just continuously stir it until all the oats have been coated in the syrupy mixture. Don't forget to add in your cherries, just a few. If you don't want to add them in, feel free to skip them. But then just mix them into the mixture until they are fully incorporated. And then take your mixture and take around half of the mixture and place it into a lined 8-inch square tin. And just press it out and spread it out until you have one consistent layer. Then on top of the bottom layer, you'll want to place your cherry jam and just spread it out until you have a consistent layer. And then continue to top that with the remaining oat mixture and just press that in and press it down so you have a good covering. You shouldn't be able to see the jam, but if you do see a little bit, it's alright. You'll then want to place this into your preheated oven and bake it up. All of that information will be on the blog post, which I will leave a link to down below. Here are what the flapjacks look like once they're fully baked and cooled. You can remove them from the tin and place onto your counter or a cooling rack. And don't forget you'll want to drizzle them with some simple icing, which is just icing sugar and water with some almond extract. And just drizzle it over so you've got that icing element that you would have on a iced cherry Bakewell. And then go ahead and start to slice the flapjacks up. Feel free to cut them however you like, but I went with 16 bite-sized pieces, and this is perfect for if you're giving them to friends and family, especially during the lockdown, which we are yet again back in. But if not, then why not just make them so you can share them with more people. And here are what they look like once they're finished. As you can tell, you've got the oats, you can see the layer of jam, and you will get cherries in some of the slices. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more videos for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this blog post, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and check them out and follow me over on them. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.